Hi friends! So, you're probably wondering, how did I get here? Well, I have a story for you. Hello, my friends! Hey guys, what is up? It's Andrea and welcome back to the andreaXandrea channel. So today, first of all, if you want to know why I dyed my hair, keep watching this video. Secondly, Secondly, this video is in partnership with Moose Toys on their newest toy, Goo Goo Galaxy. So this is going to be a toy that we unbox, we check out a little bit,
we give our opinions and our thoughts on,
and then we're gonna do a challenge with the toy. The challenge was kind of like something that I just did randomly because I was just feeling it, but like it's probably the best part of this video, so you should definitely stick around. So this time, I have seen so many people doing these gigantic slime challenges on YouTube. I want to do that too. I spent a few $100s on glue at Target last night at 11 o'clock at night. We're going to be challenging ourselves to make a giant version of the slime that we make in the beginning of this video. So I bought a bunch of different glitters and peachybbies and whatnot to look like the glitters in Miss Bowie here. Thank you for your sacrifice. But before we go, are you guys subscribed to my channel? If you guys want to become part of the family, you should definitely go down and subscribe. If you guys are already part of the X fam, hi, welcome, you're my favorite people. But you know who's even favoriter than my favorite people? It's the people who have notifications turned on. If that's you, congratulations, you're like the best person ever. You should definitely have those on because that way you're gonna be able to see the video when the video goes live on my channel, any video. I mean, this video if you had notifications on, but like, any video. I'm always in the comments for the first hour or so that a video goes live. Okay, let's get on with the video. So I want to start with the unboxing first because she is so cute, you guys. So as far as I understand, there are a ton of different Goo Goo Gaga Galaxy girls you can collect. Mine is Bowie Beamheart, which I think is like the cutest name ever, which is why we're gonna copy it in the end of the video. Keep watching if you want to see me dye my hair purple. The design on this box was super cute. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of it. So my Goo Goo Gaga Galaxy doll came with a bunch of cute glitter packets. Like, these are not the cheap glitter. These are like the holographic, sparkly, amazingly pretty glitters. So I'm super happy about the quality of that. And then these little meteorite powder packets, so I think that's how we make the slime. A bunch of things to mix the slime. A little feeding tube thingy for Bowie. And Bowie herself, which I was so surprised. I didn't realize that the bodies of these dolls would be like squishy. So it definitely kind of feels like a stress toy, which now that I feel it, I am obsessed with. And we get to fill this with slime, you guys. So it's like a toy that you can play with and a stress toy in one. So here's some close-up details of all the stuff that came in the box. I really love this little pamphlet because it gives Bowie like this whole identity and it tells us like what planet she's on. It's adorable. Everything about this package was super, super cute. Overall, I feel like this toy came with a ton of stuff. My favorite glitters were these little hollow stars. I am obsessed with hollow. You guys already know, okay? You know me. You know I cannot live without a good hollow glitter in my life. So the second I saw those, I knew we were going to be adding them to our slime. So the first steps that it told us is to empty a meteorite powder packet into this bowl and then fill the bowl up to that little fill line with water and then mix it really quickly. After about 60 seconds of mixing, you get this really thick and jelly-like consistency, which is a lot smoother and less stretchy than I believed slime would be. But overall, especially if you're putting it in a stress toy, I can vibe with it. I'm pretty down with it. And it showed the glitter so beautifully. Just girly things when you can see your glitter through your slime hard eyes. They do give you enough meteorite powder to make 2 different slimes to fill Bowie with. I went a little crazy and I got overwhelmed by the glitter and I added every glitter in. So she is gonna be really sparkly. So once we get the little feeder tube, the little bottle tube filled up, then we're just gonna fill her up. I did this about 6 or 7 times, so it's not something that you just do once, but you have to keep feeding her. It was definitely really fun feeding Bowie, and I had a really good time like watching all of the slime go into her belly. Then once you have all of the slime in Bowie, it fully changes the texture of the belly and everything. It definitely, like I was saying, feels exactly like a stress ball, which is insane. Then we add the little binky on to make sure that none of the slime falls back out of her mouth. And now on to the bad decision of the day. Hello. So you're probably wondering how I got here. I went to Target and bought a bunch of glue and a kiddie pool at 11 o'clock at night. It's not one of my proudest moments, okay? But I've seen so many videos of people doing stuff like this and I really wanted to include it. I want to be the life-size version of Bowie, okay? This is pink. My new daughter is pink. That's what we're gonna be doing. So I have 1, 2, 3 pink ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 clear ones since I didn't feel like that was gonna be enough. I also got some cute little supplies because you know we mixed Bowie's little slime with a bunch of glitters. I wanted to match hers and I want a full pool. And that's what we're aiming for because I always watch these videos and nobody fills their pool up all the way and it really kind of irks me a little bit, low key. This is our first gallon. This is gonna commemorate the pool. This is gonna take longer than I thought. Whoa, yeah. Look at all that glue. This is a montage about glue. So much glue, a pool full of glue. What's gonna happen? Probably gonna add more glue. What am I doing with my life? That's right, over here, my child, in a place of power. Stay. Let's do a pink one because I'm really tired of doing clear glue and I have the attention span of a toddler. Oh, this is cool! Oh my god, it's making mine. I'm gonna make a smiley face, hold on. I
Smile!
It actually worked! So it looks like this now and like, okay, close up shot, like, do you see what it's doing? It's like doing a thing. So now that we have all of the glue in pool, I thought that we could bulk it up with some water because, you know, that's like a thing that people do, right? Like they put water in the slime. I don't know. I can't relate. That's not what I do in my slimes. There's a lot of thinking here and there's not a lot of knowing, but I think that's gonna work. So we're gonna find out. Maybe if you shake them, it gets better. No. At least they smell good, I guess. So that's kind of like a plus. We're done. Okay, so glitter. So I bought a bunch of different like glitters and Peachybbies and whatnot to look like the glitters in Miss Bowie here. So she has like the little pink glitters and the little star glitters and I got a bunch of those. Then we have our Peachybbies, and I'm gonna add these to the shaving cream part because I feel like that's gonna look really, really cool. So this slime is gigantic. It's huge. It's way bigger than normal slimes I make, and I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna mix it. So my initial reaction was like, oh, get a giant spatula. Well, I checked online, those don't exist, and I wasn't about to make one just for this video. Instead of ruining the entire slime by walking in it, I got some feet protectors. Is this gonna work? Probably not. Are we gonna try it anyways? Heck yeah. Okay, here's hoping I don't fall. Oh my god, I'm gonna fall. I'm actually walking, you just can't tell because I can't move my feet. What is this? But on the bright side, my bags are working. A few updates. First of all, I took my hair out because it's been a few hours. Another thing I realized, the whole reason we're making a giant pool of slime is because we wanted to match little Bowie slime. So it's like pretty much fitting that we have to into the slime. Thank you for your sacrifice. Boop. Boop again. I think that's good. It did something in the middle.
I really shouldn't have thrown it into the middle.
Hey, at least this like one spot is gonna be activated. Nothing else is gonna be activated, but this one spot looks great. I'm so excited to see what this is gonna look like when it's done though. Like, I know it's definitely gonna be fluffy. Don't get it. Please don't jump in here. If you love me at all, you will not jump into this pool. That's what I thought, punk. That is how you mix slime. What is this? Oh my god, there's like rubbery bits at the bottom of the pool because I added too strong an activator. I've actually added so much activator to the slime at this point. but it's not doing anything, and I feel like I need to add more. And then I just kept mixing slime and 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 mixing slime until eventually it was the next day. Hello. So it is the day after I made this monstrosity right here. I was mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing. It just wasn't enough. Like, you see this pot of activator? I've gone through 2 pots of activator already, and this is like really strong activator. This is not normal activator. Yeah, I was mixing for so long yesterday, and finally I was like, oh my god, I'm tired. And then I laid down on my living room carpet and I fell asleep. That's how we've gotten here. So this is here. It's basically turned into a giant iceberg. I would be absolutely lying if I told you I was not super hyped to pull the skin off of this. Look, it does the sizzly thing. I'm gonna try and pull it from the middle. No, 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 no. The whole thing has to come off. Oh my god, I did it. It's like a whole new slime under here. Oh my god! I did something. This is great. This is the skin. I don't know what is going on with the slime, but like it made a skin and it turned to slime for a while, and now it's like back to liquid underneath. I don't know, did it work or didn't it work? Because like our challenge was literally just to make the Goo Goo Gaga Galaxy toy slime, but in a bigger version for me. I think we did that pretty well. I think that our giant slime definitely looked very similar to Bowie's. We used all the same ingredients. It would not activate. I don't know what I did wrong. Like, I've used so much activator. So much activator! And oh, nice, okay. So I think that it's gonna be up to you guys. Definitely give this video a like if you wanna see more videos like this. If you wanna see me do a part 2 where hopefully we can recreate something like this, make a giant slime, but maybe be able to fully activate it. And also comment down below, do you think we won this challenge and why? So I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Again, super big shout out to Moose Toys for sending me one of their newest toys to check out. I really like it. I think it's a super fun toy. So if you guys are looking for a toy yourself, if you guys thought that looked cool, or if you're just looking for a gift for someone, I definitely recommend it. I'm gonna go clean up my house. Bye.